Well, today we're going to put on a harmonic balancer, and my old one broke, so I had to buy a new one, right? But I just want to say, they threw a pair of gloves in with it. Now that's pretty cool. A little rubberized, you know, gear roll. Okay. So basically, we're going to put a harmonic balancer in. We don't need this. All right, so, and this is gear roll. All right, look, gear roll. All right, now this is a combo. This is a small block, big block combo, okay? So this could go either way. So I'm going to assume that the smaller end, as opposed to the big end, is the small block size. So we're just going to do this, just double check this real quick. Yep, that's what we're looking for. Okay, so we're just going to take this back out. All right, and how this basically, and I'll show you how this works. We got the balancer right here. All right, and I already put a little bit of my favorite super lube on the snout. We'll put a little bit on the itself on the outside of the deal, so it slides in real good. And you basically just line it up with the quarter pin. All right, and then we're going to take the small end plus the bearing. We're going to take the bearing out of the package. Like I said, my old one broke. Oh, it's greased too. Well, that's good. So yeah, that's nice. I like that. Okay, so basically it looks like you can go either way with this. So we're going to slide this over here like this, and we're going to thread her in. And back this off. Thread her in until she stops. All right, that's all you got to do. All right, there we go with that. And we'll do this, and we will get a crescent wrench or two, and we'll get after. Would you like to be part of something special? Uncle Buck's Garage now has memberships, and that's a open opportunity to be behind the scenes, to get information nobody else gets to see, to see things, possibly get to see things before anybody else sees them, things like that. If you would like that opportunity, there's a link down below for the memberships for Uncle Buck's Garage. Please sign up. All right, we're going to take the small crescent wrench, and we're just going to tighten this down right here and use this to hold on to the shaft while we use the big crescent wrench, and we use it because you can get more stroke with the big crescent wrench than you can the small one. And once she starts moving, it'll just do it on its own. It's just time consuming. Get up here and get some stroke on this. And once you get close, you'll feel it bottom out. Whoops. Didn't mean to do that. Just like that. Then all you gotta do is just break it loose. And break it loose. And you have just now installed your harmonic balancer. That's a nice little unit. You can see it's got grease on it. I like that. But like I said, this is a dual unit. This is Small for small block, big for big block. I guess we'll put that back in the bag. Put it in a toolbox for future use. And that's all there is to it. And then if we're going to put this in place so that I have a pointer. I'll find a pointer for timing. So that's how you do that. That's how you put on a Harmonic balancer. It's not that difficult, and this is a nice little kit. Like I said, there'll be a link down below. And if you guys want one, y'all have a great day. Because great day today, even better day tomorrow. Y'all be good. So if you want to see my best little video ever made, right here. If you want to see the one that they say is best for you, is right there. Y'all be good.